Before this ego mind arises, before the appearance of the one who believes themselves to be says, I am this or I am that, there exists only the one who says, I am. No specific desire or want existed outside of the intrinsic desire. To be as is. But now, an ego emerges from the debris. There is much to perceive. There seem to be multiple desires and needs, but the deepest desire of the ego mind is to know about death. If we were to know about death, then surely we would know what we are. Expecting an afterlife is just another way of expanding on the intrinsic feeling which we all share. The feeling that we are all eternal and ageless in a never-changing body. And transient world. But why does one want to ask about death? When one does not even recognize what is here and now. Knowing what is here and now will reveal the eternal within the never-changing transient world. So why search the imaginative future of death? What is now is real. The future is not. It is but imaginative potential, a dream. Do you remember what you had for your last meal? Can you recall the specific dish? Now, look into the future. Can you imagine what your next meal will be? What is the difference between the past memory and the future imagination? Which one has more substance? Which one is more real? Other than a thought which tells you that one happened while the other may still be pending, there is no difference. They are both without substance. Neither can exist on its own. They must be held onto by your attention. Your reification. Maybe we should clarify the here and now first. This thing we call I, this sense that we identify with as being self, this entity which we call person, and which says all things are happening to me. What is it? Was it born? Or did it only appear sometime after birth? What in fact is it that was actually born? Ask yourself rhetorically, who am I? Are you waiting for something to appear? Nothing substantial or concrete appears. There is nothing to appear. Allow the mind to rest in just that. At first, it is not simple to grasp this view, because the mind is always busy looking for something. Habit dictates that it needs to be involved and needs to understand something intellectually. But mind is not needed for this inquiry. Let us turn the mind onto the mind and see what is really there. What is true and what is comment? The person is very spontaneous. It moves habitually. Habitual behavior moves the being from one attachment to the other. Like a cow in the field, simply following appetite. The desire leads the cow. Personhood can only be in existence because of it having a source to exist from. It needs a foundation which radiates and maintains its aliveness. From the very beingness, the person or personality arises. Just like the flowers appearing in the meadow. With the right combination of sunlight, water, air, and climate, a brilliant display of color and fragrance emerges. If there is no flower, there can be no fragrance. What thought tells you that death is a thing? The one who dreams life dreams death as well. It is not the personality that is born. What is born is the witnessing. By way of an assumed body.